Your Mother's Day flowers purchased by now,
Ready,
right?
Yeah, just a couple of days left to go, and the weather should be pretty nice for it. Warm.
Yeah, it is going to be warm. A little summer-like for Mother's Day this weekend, but a lot going on outdoors this weekend. I don't think you're having problems otherwise, other than the heat. Certainly not much rain. Pecan Street Festival, we will be passing out our X the Tex thumb bands tomorrow. Look for us during the Pecan Street Festival in downtown Austin. I've got an idea for you this weekend, too, if you haven't made plans yet. How about a bird-a-thon? Some bird watching. Sounds like fun, right? Well, if you haven't ever heard of a bird-a-thon, you can find out all about it right here on the weather blog today on KXAN.com. It's kind of like a walk-a-thon. Raises money for Travis Audubon. And also on the blog today, our May bird forecast from Travis Audubon. And they tell us that look for lots of color. Speaking of color, they tell us colorful birds are in the forecast for the month of May, like that one right there. That is a painted bunting, and that one is a summer tanager. Have you heard of that? Tanager?
No.
I haven't either. Have you?
I have,
yeah.
All right, Robert.
Robert has.
Robert's on top of things. Well, that's why our blogs are always educational. Check them out, although we don't always include a pronunciation guide. It's on the weather blog on KXAN.com today. All right, tonight. Well, it's warm. It's warmer today for sure. We're at 89 degrees. You saw the skies out there, mostly clear. At 8 o'clock, we're at 83. At 10 o'clock tonight, we're down to 74. Maybe some low clouds beginning to come in at that hour. Let's check some area temperatures. We'll begin out here in the hill country. And readings there are 90 in Llano, 85 in Burnet. Johnson, Marble Falls coming in at 87 degrees, that is. Here around the metro area, readings in the upper 80s, 88 in Georgetown, Leander, Cedar Park area at 87. Down in Buda, it is 87 degrees. And off to the east, we are looking at some 88s there in Lee and Fayette County, 86 to 87 in Bastrop and down into Caldwell County. 89 in Austin, partly cloudy. It's also 89 out at the airport. Winds are south at 12 miles per hour. Sunset tonight is at 8:12 p.m. In the pollen count today, we had flying around in the air some mold at a medium level, willow at a low level, pecan low, and there's some grass pollen out there too. People mowing their lawns. 84 degrees in Dallas, 82 in Houston, 90s out here in West Texas. That's what we'll see a little more of in the days to come. There's actually a real weak disturbance out here in West Texas. You may see some high clouds coming in off of those showers tonight, but we're not going to get any rain out of it. The storm track continues to be across the northern U.S. Now, we will see a little change in the track about the middle of next week. That'll bring us our next chance of any rainfall of any significance at all. We could see some patchy drizzle here first thing in the morning. This is 7 o'clock. We have the typical morning low cloudiness, and then same thing Sunday morning, and then Sunday afternoon we're going to call it hot as we're back up close to the mid-90s on Mother's Day afternoon. In the morning, milder certainly, low 60s, low to mid-60s in most locations. Tomorrow afternoon, highs in the low 90s almost everywhere. In Austin tonight, we'll see late night low clouds. Our low temperature in the morning not below 64. And then tomorrow afternoon, 92. Winds are going to be a little breezy tomorrow. Breezy to windy, actually, again this weekend. So keep in mind that high fire danger, whatever you do. On Sunday, close to the mid-90s, about 94, probably 95 or so on Monday. We'll get into that routine where we have morning low clouds and patchy light fog, patchy light drizzle each morning. That little system I told you about next week could be Wednesday, Thursday time frame with at least a slight chance for some rain or a few thunderstorms.